Om Sai Ram, Dijan.
Om Sai Ram.
Dijan, a lot of us have this particular question from you. We say we have a lot of faith in Baba. We have surrendered to him. But in difficult times, we just lose it. What is this complete surrender, Ma?
Om Sai Ram. I love it when you call me Ma. It's nice to be Dijan sometimes and sometimes be there Ma. It is more beautiful, I think, being a mother. Okay, so this one's for all of you who are confused about this word complete surrender. And let me be very honest, for a lot of time in my life, my younger days, I used to find this word so heavy, complete surrender. How does one do this? Is it really possible to do it also? But now when you love Baba, you realize nothing is impossible at all. So let me explain complete surrender to you. Complete surrender is when I reach that level of faith where there are no questions to be asked. Complete surrender is when in my worst time, I smile and tell Baba, I welcome this difficult time because you are there with me. I know if it is coming to me, despite you being there, it must be for the good. That is complete surrender. Complete surrender is no questions asked, no doubts ever, come what may. When a person who loses a child says to God, if you thought this was good, I accept this as your decision and I will not question you. That is complete surrender. When I am going through a time which is killing me, breaking me, I'm dying, I don't even know if I will survive through to the next day. But I go sit in front of Baba and say, Baba, I'm dying, I can't bear it, give me strength. But I'm not going to give up because I know you are with me. If despite your presence and love, I'm going through this difficult time, it must be for my good. It must be for a higher reason, for a higher good. And so I completely surrender before you. So it is not difficult because when we accept, like the Isha Upanishad says, that God is on all sides. He's in front, back, above, below, everywhere. Whatever is happening in our life is ordained by Him, is by His will and His wish. And we love Baba. We do, right?
Yes.
So when we love Baba so much and everything in our life is ordained by His will, not the leaf of a tree can move without His bidding. So what is happening? He knows it's going to happen. He's still letting it happen means there is a reason to it. And then if I question that reason, I am questioning my Guru, my Baba. Will I ever do that? No. So come what may, let life give the worst to you. Take it as a blessing. Because the one who loves you is holding you through it and it is by His decision and will that it has come to you. So never give up, fight it out and enjoy complete surrender. Trust me, in a difficult day when you give up to Baba completely and say, Baba, in your feet, but I'm not going to break. I'm not going to doubt you. I'm not going to question and say, why are you doing this to me? Why me? Why am I going through this hell, Baba? When there are no questions, you enjoy it. You love loving your Baba like that by saying, Baba, whatever you give to me, I take it as your prasad. That's the way to love Baba and that is complete surrender. I hope that answers your question.
Yes, it does.
Om Sai Ram, beta. Bless you. Thank you so much. Om Sai Ram.